Hello, I am Professor McCoy, and today we're going to ask what seems like a very simple question. What makes good rat? To begin examining this apparently simple question, we need to go to something more fundamental. We need to ask, what is a rat? This is because by natural law analysis, to know what something is a necessary step to evaluate it in normative terms. In other words, a good rat is what a rat most fully is. So, what is a rat? At its most basic level, a rat is a being. Now, what I mean is that a being is something which exists. And so, to be a good rat is at its most basic level to exist. A good rat is one which exists and maintains itself in being. From here, we can ask further, what sort of being is a rat? How does a rat exist? A rat is not merely a being, but a living being. What are the fundamental traits of a living being? Well, the most fundamental kind of living being is a plant. Rats, especially good rats, share some of the qualities with plants. These qualities are nutrition and reproduction. Not only do plants as beings exist, but as living beings. They take in nutrients to sustain their existence, and reproduce to propagate that existence to the next generation. A good rat should be able to do likewise. But further, a rat is not merely a living being, but it is an animate being. It is an animal. Animals are capable of further powers than plants. They are capable of locomotion and sensation. This means that they are capable of moving themselves around and finding food, finding a mate. They are capable of locating things using their senses. This does is it develops the vegetative and existential powers that a rat already has. And so, a good rat is capable of doing not only what a vegetable or a being can do, but what an animal can do as well. To clear up one potential confusion, a good rat is not necessarily a rat which is good for human purposes. A good rat may well use its nutritive and locomotive powers to root through trash, or even, perhaps, to get itself adopted instead of a human child. That does not make it a bad rat, even if that rat is inconvenient for us human beings. That is still a good rat. In conclusion, Remy from the Disney movie Ratatouille is not only a good rat, but is a good person. This has been Professor Vincent Andrew Drossinus McCoy, and today we have asked a very difficult question, and hopefully answered it. We have determined what is okay, wait a minute. Oh, that's supposed to say what is good art. Well, okay. Well, apply the same principles, just apply them differently. Therefore, etc. All right, bye.